We'll guide you through how to reply to a specific message in Slack. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop to begin the process. Search for Google Chrome and open the Google Chrome browser application from the search results. Enter Slack into the search bar and click the official Slack website from the search results. Before continuing, ensure that you have already logged into your Slack account using your credentials. After signing in, tap your recent workspaces to access the workspace where you want to reply to a message. If you do not have the desktop application installed, choose the Use Slack in your browser option instead. After your workspace loads completely, open the channel containing the conversation where you want to respond. Carefully find the specific message that you want to reply to within the channel. Move your cursor over the selected message, and a pop-up menu will appear along the edge of that message. This menu contains several quick actions that you can use. If you simply want to acknowledge the message without writing a response, click one of the available emoji reactions to express your response visually. Alternatively, choose the reply option if you want to answer the message in a dedicated thread. After selecting Reply, the thread panel will appear on the right side of the Slack window. Click the text field within the thread panel and type your response clearly. Once you have finished writing your reply, press the Enter key on your keyboard to send it. Your reply will immediately appear inside the thread, keeping the discussion organized and connected to the original message. In the main channel timeline, Slack will also display an indicator beneath the original message showing that a thread has been created, allowing other participants to open the thread and read the ongoing conversation.